Your Lincoln may have a rear-view camera that can help you see what's behind you and help you maneuver when you're backing up or parallel parking. Let me explain. When you shift your car into reverse, the rear-view camera will display an image of what's directly behind you on your My Lincoln touchscreen. The camera uses several different guides to help direct you. Fixed guidelines show you the actual path your car is going while reversing in a straight line. Active guidelines show you the path in which you intend your car to go when reversing, which is perfect when you're backing into a parking space. And a centerline guide, which helps you if you are trying to line up your vehicle with something like a trailer. In addition to guides, you'll see green, yellow, and red lines, or zones, on your screen. The objects in the red zone are closest to your vehicle, and the objects in the green zone are farthest away. You can tell if an object is getting closer to you if it moves from green to yellow and finally to red. The camera display will remain on your console screen until you've shifted out of reverse. But if you wish, it can be turned on or off by selecting Settings on your screen, Vehicle, Camera Settings, then Rear Camera Delay on or off. When turned on, the delay feature allows the camera image to remain on the screen until you've shifted out of reverse and reached 5 miles per hour. And keep in mind, if your camera lens gets dirty or your reverse lights aren't working properly, you may not get a clear image. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit LincolnOwner.com.